Good morning. Welcome back to the homestead. Glad you could make it. Well, first thing this morning that I need to look at is the lights on that cottage. For some reason, they're almost non-existent. They kind of come on. They're very, very, very dim. Even at night, you can't really see them unless you get right up next to them. So the only thing I can think of is that one of the cats possibly bit into it. I don't know. So I have to look at the string and see if there's anything amiss. Let's get started. I am not seeing anything in the lights themselves. Let's check the cord. I'm sure it's fine. Maybe it's just a bad set of lights. I don't know. From one of the other ones that is working and see if that does anything. I don't think that's it. Seems to operate just fine. We'll swap it out anyway, see what happens. Okay, I found the cause of the problem. The culprit was not the cat, or any of the cats. The culprit was me. When I went to get a shovel out of here, I shut the door, I closed one of the lights in the door, and it ripped 2 wires out. I can fix it, I just need to, I'll have to delete that one light and get a connector and connect it together. So it'll just take a few minutes probably, and I need to go get some tools. Let's go do that. Let's take you in and show you a little better about what's going on. You can see here, this light that those 2 wires connect to got caught in the door and yanked the wires out. There's no way for me to get the wires reattached to the light, so I'm just going to delete that light and reattach the wires together, and that should take care of it. We'll test it first, of course. It's low voltage, it's still plugged in, don't worry about it, not a big deal. I'm not going to create a shock or anything like that. I think they're real low voltage. The difficulty is stripping these tiny little wires without cutting the wires themselves. I know I have my back to the camera, and I'm sorry, it's the only way I could see. I probably should have moved the camera. What I've done is stripped the wires. So right now I have them twisted together. I'm going to go plug them in, see if they work. There you go. They work. Now I just need to permanently attach them. I'm going to use, these are low temperature soldering butt connector. You slide the wires inside. Let me show you. That little section in the middle is solder. It melts at a low temperature. The white pieces you see, white strips you see inside there, those are a sealing agent or a glue, and then it's also heat shrink. So it makes it watertight, a permanent adherence. All right, I'm going to punch a couple more fence post holes, put a couple more posts in, finish up this side of the property. I've already got them measured out. I put stakes in the ground. I'll probably throw a tape on it just to make sure that they're right. All right, well, that last hole I dug, I don't know what I hit down there. I don't know if it was a tree root or a rock or what, but it went as deep as it was going to go. I would have liked it to go another 6 inches, but it is what it is. It's not supporting a gate, so the gate will get supported by a pole that we put closer, basically where the pole, because that's all measured out. I'm going to go ahead and plant those 3. I'll be right back. I got to go get my level. All right, well, that does it for fence posts today. Now I got to move on to trying to finish the sheetrock up in that cottage we were doing. So let's pick up these tools, put them away, and get on to that. Okay, it isn't pretty, but it will be. Once we tape and mud, it should be fine. All right, well, we've got cleanup to do, cat batteries to change, cat batteries. Batteries to change and 9 cat feeders. We've got a lot of stuff to do before we can get out of here, so I'm going to call this a day. Thank you for watching. God bless you. We'll finish it up next time. Alrighty, we'll see you next time on the homestead. Bye now.